Have you ever walked into a home and felt an instant sense of warmth and elegance? Everything looks perfectly placed, and the space feels inviting. Relieved face. But when we decorate our own home, something always feels off. Something is missing. Well, today, I'll reveal 5 hidden home decor secrets that professional designers use, but never share with us. These aren't just styling tips. They're the key to making your home feel luxurious and well-designed. So, if you want your home to look like it was styled by an expert, watch this video till the end. Secret number 1. The rule of 3. Why every designer swears by it. Have you ever noticed how designer-styled spaces feel effortlessly balanced? That's because of the rule of 3. Designers always use. Heavy checkmark 3. Different heights. A tall, a medium, and a short object create balance. Heavy checkmark 3 textures, soft, fabric, hard, wood/metal, and natural, plants. Heavy checkmark 3 colors, a base, a neutral, and a pop color. If your decor feels flat or uninteresting, simply applying this rule of 3 can completely transform your space. Secret number 2, lighting, the secret to making your home look expensive. Want a budget-friendly way to make your home look luxurious? Layered lighting. Sparkles. Most people rely only on a ceiling light, but designers always use 3 layers of lighting. Light bulb ambient light. Overall room lighting, like ceiling lights. Light bulb task light. Focus lighting for a purpose, like bedside lamps or kitchen counter lights. Light bulb accent light. Decorative lighting, like fairy lights, LED strips, or candles. Imagine 2 rooms, one with just a bright ceiling light, and another with warm lamps and accent lights. Feel the difference? Secret number 3. Plants, the most affordable yet powerful decor element. If your home feels dull or lifeless, adding just 2 or 3 indoor plants can instantly make it feel fresh and welcoming. NASA research plants like white heavy checkmark snake plant, filters air and requires little care. White heavy checkmark pothos, extremely low maintenance. White heavy checkmark Erica palm, adds a luxurious touch. Designers consider plants as live decor that make any space feel more warm and inviting. Secret number 4, empty walls. Try this designer trick for an instant upgrade. Most people hang just one big frame or painting, but designers use a special trick to make any wall look stunning. Gallery walls. Framed picture. How to create the perfect gallery wall. Heavy checkmark use an odd number of frames. Heavy checkmark mix different frame sizes. Heavy checkmark add a personal touch. Family photos plus abstract art plus inspiring quotes. Now, picture an empty wall versus a well-styled gallery wall. Which one feels more beautiful? Secret number 5. The most important spot in your home, and most people ignore it. Your entryway is the first and last impression of your home. If it doesn't feel welcoming, your entire home can feel uninviting. Confused face. The simple fix? Entryway styling. Heavy checkmark a sleek console table. Heavy checkmark a mirror or art piece. Heavy checkmark a small tray or basket for keys and essentials. Heavy checkmark a warm lamp or scented candle. This small change can make your home instantly feel more stylish and inviting. Friends, today I shared 5 hidden secrets that professional designers use. Now, you can transform your home without hiring an expensive designer. Smiling face with heart eyes. Which tip did you love the most? Let me know in the comments. Speech balloon. And if you want more amazing home styling hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Rock it. See you in the next video. Happy decorating!